Hi, welcome to Demo Garage. I'm Steven, and in today's episode, I'm going to be restoring this gas pedal. I'm in the middle of editing it, and I realized I don't have an opening clip of how bad it looks. So here's a picture of what it looked like. So come along, and I'll show you how I did that. Alright, that wasn't too big a pain in the ass. I did have to throw a torch on this adjustment screw to get it out. I'll see if I can't find a new spring. I don't really want to trust that one. Wow, look at that. It's corroded into a point. I'm going to find a new spring. And then, of course, getting the cotter pin out of this guy didn't work out so well. So ground it down and punched it out. So I'm sure I can find a new pin. No biggie. So the problem is that these aren't bolts. Or I guess they started out as bolts, but they appear to have been welded in. So how am I going to deal with that? I am going to try and use this guy and grind the heads off. So that's not going to be fun, but I do want to save this bracket. I can throw a tap through that adjustment screw hole. I think if I can delicately grind these heads off, maybe I'll actually just put this in my vise and hold it in the vise like that, and then just a little bit at a time. We'll see. That's what I'm going to try. I'll bring you back with success or with another idea. So I'll bring you back. All right, that worked out really great. That took a little bit of time, but I just kept grinding down, just like you see here. And you can see I've got separation now. It worked out great. So what's the right way to do this? The same as before, weld in some bolts, or I was even kind of playing with the idea of welding in some nuts and coming up from below with bolts, or maybe riv nuts. Let me see if I can figure out how to put some riv nuts in there. But yeah, maybe I can find this needs to be cleaned up real bad. Wish I had access to a sandblaster, but anyway, got through the heads and the welds on that, and pretty pleased with how clean that turned out. So I'll bring you back. Okay, here's an update on the restoration to the pedal. I am going to be treating the hinge point on this. I'll do a little sanding, and then I'll do some rust conversion. But this is actually in decent shape. I've got this part. You saw that I was able to sand out the bolt heads that were welded in. And I've done a bunch of sanding. And then this guy has been living in this rust dissolver, Rust-Oleum product for a couple of days. So I think I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit, but hit this with some rust converter and some primer. And same with this. This was underneath it, as I don't know, for some reason it was there. I have not located, or I forgot to buy. This is the stop for the pedal, so I'm obviously going to replace that. I don't think that'll be too hard. And then I think what I'm going to do to restore this guy is I think I'm going to drill these holes a little bigger and put this riv nut. I've got a nice little new riv nut setter. So I'm going to go ahead and have these guys, 2 of them there, and then I'll bolt up from below for the new installation. And I found some springs that I think are going to work. I wasn't going to reuse this guy. It's pretty well seen its last days. So this is nice. And got a new pin. I just have to cut it to length and drill a new cotter pin hole on it. But yeah, so next step is I'm going to drill these and get these prepped, painted, and then I'll install the riv nuts, and I'll bring you back when I got something else to show you. Okay, so I think I'm ready now. I've got the riv nuts installed. Worked out pretty good. So this is now painted. All of these are cleaned up. That's cleaned up. Got some new mounting hardware. Gonna install that spring. Got my new pin. This is the limiting screw, I guess. So let me put this thing together and I shall bring you right back. There she is. Painted up, assembled, no visible rust. Spring seems like it works pretty good, maybe a little stronger than original. I used stainless steel wherever I could get it. Grade A for that one because it was a weird long size, 1/4 28. But I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. That should give the vehicle another 50 years of service. And while it probably works as good as it did when it was rusty, I'll know better on the installation. Well, with that, that's going to be the last clip of this accelerator pedal restoration. Stick around until after the credits and I'll show you some installation video. I hoped you learned something. I'm not sure I did. But until the next video, bye.